Good evening, traders. Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil. And let's go through USCocoa today as we got some good moves out of that according to the predictions I have been making from last couple of weeks. So starting with natural gas, let me show you what I've said in my last video so that we can connect the dots from there. On Owanda, we are getting a good condition. Now if you look here on Owanda, price made a high right here and now we are getting a pullback. Now that could be a risky entry looking at the fact the price opened above in gap. Now let me tell you something that can still be a valid entry. If this candle turns out to be a bullish engulfer, in that case we'll have a valid swing low bullish engulfing confirmation. So if you're a risky trader, then you can keep a stop loss below the EMAs and take profit. You can go 1-to-1 initially. So that is all you need to look at here on this platform. We are getting a possible buy entry if you're looking here on spot or Owanda. So that's all I'll be looking at. Clear technical condition if that closes as a bullish engulfer. In that case, we are going long, and this is the level I'll be looking at for the next possible sell trade, which I'm going to update in my upcoming video. Perfect. So as you can see, now for net gas, we have new levels, which is something I'm going to send to my members as well. The up-to-date levels. So first, we have a level of support now that has been recently broken, which is right here 2.731 goes to 2.805. Now these are levels that happens on Owanda and capital.com, and right here 2.994 goes to 3.124. So first we had a good condition like I've mentioned yesterday right here. And if you look here, that closed as a bullish engulfer, and that was your entry. Looking at the ATR is 5.8. Let's do 6. And right from here, the price just pushed up an ATR and still pushing up. That nicely hit my targets as a trade on Owanda. As you can see, my live account with Owanda has been connected as a trade net gas with Owanda and some other soft commodities with Owanda, mainly a trade with IC markets if I want to trade forex and some major commodities like gold and crude oil. But here on net gas, that nicely hitting the targets that was mentioned yesterday. As I said, we are still long-term bullish, and I'm looking at the level right here. I've just redone the zones. As you can see, I've just marked the new zone, which is the next level of resistance from where expect pullbacks and then a continuation. Overall, we are bullish. We have a nice breakout above the termination zone, a little rejection box right here. Now, let this candle close first. After that, what I'll be expecting? I'll be just simply expecting a pullback to this zone, then a bullish engulfer, and then a continuation. So I will go long if we have a bullish engulfer or double bottom condition within my zone that has been recently broken and I've just mentioned. Now if the price continues to push high, right here it is a zone which I've just mentioned in red, from where I look for my double tops or bearish engulfer, from where we can go for short, and then from here we're going to go long. So we have two zones we are paying attention to for now. We are currently above 50 and 20 EMA, only looking for the pullback entry bullish. That is all we're looking at. Exit here and look for your sell condition right in this zone. So we have a good breakout, nice take profit hit like mentioned yesterday. If you're taking this trade, then you have made some money. Now exactly same on capital.com. We have two zones, one above and one below. Right here is 3.038, goes up to 3.119. Now we already have taken nice trades from the zone below. Right here, a bearish engulfer nicely pushed up. From here we have pushed back above and broken above this level. I've just redone the zone. Now the zone above is right up here, which I might be readjusting, but for now it's 3.427, goes to 3.633. So exactly the same as on Owanda, just a pullback I'm expecting now after the close of this candle. Just a pullback followed by bullish engulfer. We're going to go long till we are here. Look for the sell trades with bearish engulfers or double top entry pattern. That's simply you need to look at. So only buy trades for now as we are broken above the previous level, and only pullback entry is also in the play by a bullish engulfer. If we have that something like this, we are going to go long. Now here on NEMEX NG1. If you are someone who is looking at NG2, it is something like this. Zone here, right here, and the zone above is right here for if you want to mark these zones on your charts. So as we are looking at December contracts, we are looking at NG1 right here. As you can see, the December contract we are looking at. So for now, here on this platform, we are still inside the level of resistance. So if you are trading on this futures platform, all you want to see a close above this high. Once we are close above, exactly same as on the other platforms, we are close above these highs. So that is all you need to look here on these platform as well. So right here, once we are closed above, just a pullback and a pullback entry bullish. That is all I'll be looking at. And the next level for me, it is right up there, which I need to redo, but that is something I'm going to come back in my next video, hopefully by tomorrow. For now, once we are broken above, we're going to look for the pullback entry bullish. That is all we need to look at, only buy trades. If you have a strong bearish engulfer, that doesn't mean we are short. In that case, we can see some good pullback, could be above 50 EMA, and then we're going to go for long trade again. So that is all I'll be looking at here on this platform. Next up, we have gold. Gold is pushing up and broken above the structure level, which is right here, and above 50 EMA as well. So for now, simply I will be looking at some more momentum, then a pullback followed by bullish engulfing pattern. So that is all I'll be looking at here on gold. Nothing else. But let's see for some more momentum. We have a chance the price can retest the zone below that has been broken right here, with a pullback to this zone, with a bullish engulfer or double bottom that can still push the price high. But ideally, I would like to see a break above, some more momentum, then a pullback, then a bullish candle, and keep on taking long. So not selling gold, as now we are broken above 50 EMA and trading above 20 EMA as well. So only buy trades for gold with conditions only. Next up, we have silver. Silver has pushed down from the level of resistance, not a valid bearish engulfer. As you can see, this candle just opened a little bit below. The previous candle must engulf the previous candle fully. So at this point, either we can get a double top. If we have a double top rejected from here without a candle to close above these highs, in that case, I will go short if we have a bearish engulfer or inverted hammers within my rejection box. So just to give you visuals, something like this, my rejection box looks like this. Change the color and just see if we have a candle rejects from here with a bearish engulfer. But if you have a candle close above this high, in that case, we are just going to look for a bullish trades only. That is all we need to look at. But if you look here on 1 hour time frame, we had a bearish double top pattern, and that has been played out nicely. 12 cents if you look here, and if you scroll down from here, nicely pushed down 20 cents. That would have hit your 1.2 to 1 reward to risk ratio target if you're trading on smaller time frame or day trading. For now, 4 hour time frame, just a pullback, double top. That is all. Looking at a break above. Then let's say we have no conditions. So break above, then a pullback. I'm going to look for the long trades. So wait for that, and let's see how the price action acts right in the zone. Next up, we have crude oil. So like I mentioned yesterday, that we are getting a nice breakout above 50 EMA. Looking at the tensions in Ukraine, that is what caused the price to spike higher. Now we are trading above 50 and 20 EMA. At this point, simply I will look in for the price to break above this high right here with a pullback and then the bullish engulfer. So in general, we are just bullish and we are only gonna go for buy trades, but for conditions, I want to see a break above this high. No conditions means no trade. So that is all we're looking at, break above this high with a pullback, and then I'm gonna go along from here. Perfect. So we have next, USCocoa has been performing really good with my technical analysis that was sent before. The first analysis was this triangle pattern, flag pattern, or you can call it right here. We were looking for the breakout. We entered right here in my members only, but that was also mentioned to the public in the public report. If you go to my website right here, or just go to my Telegram, as you can see right here, I often share the technical analysis of different commodities. And if you click on the link, it will bring you to my page. And right here, click on the report. And as you can see, that was mentioned already that I will be looking at the structure levels below right here. This is the structure level. As you can see, this red box coming back here, right here, the structure level. So we were waiting for the breakout and then the pullback, exactly how we predicted, or 50% retracement. That is what we were looking at. So coming back on 4 hour time frame. Now, as you can see, after the break with the pullback with a bullish engulfer, that nicely pushing higher. So that is what I was expecting, and that is what that was also posted on my Telegram. Links are in the description. If you're someone who entered at a 50%, that is also in the play, and 1.618 retracement is something I'm expecting a price to head to in the long term. But if you're someone who entered with a pullback bullish entry right here, the target has been hit. You can manage your targets still here, and then look for the next pullback entry bullish. It is something for the less aggressive trader who have not entered the trade aggressively at 50% retracement. If you have entered here, then bigger target looks something like this to 1.618 retracement, which is right here 9,177. Stop loss can be below this pattern. So expect the price to push further up. Pullback entry will only happen once we are broken above, and then a pullback followed by bullish engulfing candle. The next zone I'm looking at is right here for the price to head to, and from where we can see some good sell off. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.